Welcome to the channel, you filthy animals. Saturday afternoon. About to be doing an oil change on this bad mamma jamma right here. Me and my daughter. Enjoy. You got it? Yeah. Be careful with some of them are gonna be they're gonna feel like they're like not coming out right, but they are. Okay? It's just because like the well nuts that they have. Jesus Christ. I already forgot I had the camera on my head. We kind of got to drop this down at the same time. And then I'm going to need you to hold it off the ground while we're going to do this with it, Liza. Essentially like roll it under the bike. You know what I mean? So somewhere around this area.
How low? Right, I found it.
Low.
Yeah. This bit doesn't fit in here.
No, it's the side. Here, take this one. Yeah, this one. I think. Or this one.
This one.
All right. Oh, yeah. I think... No, that's not for this. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay, so once you have that out, you'll see what I'm talking about. And here, right here, slide the plastics back a little bit so they disconnect where they were screwed in right there. And then it's just going to drop down. You're going to have to pull it away from the engine a little bit. See what I'm saying?
Yep.
Okay, now keep that off of the floor, please. Awesome. Oh, shit.
Do you maybe put it in the sink?
Hold on, no. I need to be careful with this stuff. There we go. You gave me gloves, correct? Yes, you did. All right. You ready?
Sweaty as all ever be.
You're ready. We got this. I know I got this. And after you watch me do it.
We changed the one on that one.
Oh yeah, that's right. So, you know. Oh, goddamn gorilla hands, man.
Maybe it wasn't making no sense when we were up there.
No, I know. Dementia.
Good thing you got both.
Oh, it's not. It's fucking 12.
You would grab it.
Yeah, that'd be great. It's 14 on the VFR though. 12 millimeter. You got it?
Where does it say it?
It's going to be in the line.
In here?
Yep. If it says 12.
I believe it said 12.
Oh!
Third one.
Yeah, you got it. All right, kiddo.
All right.
Now, first, oh, there's a spider. You don't want to get in this bath, dude. Alrighty, here we go.
Is the drain thing open?
Nope, you can go open it
What is it?
on the other side of the bike, where you put the oil in.
that says oil. Right?
I'm guessing that would be the one.
Alrighty. Open it now.
I'm trying my hardest not to be a smart ass. Yes, open it now.
Dang, that is tight.
Oh, okay, wait. Get the pliers.
Okay.
And be
Careful.
yeah. Oh yeah, see?
No, I didn't.
I did have well, I guess it's okay to have a spare. That oil don't look too bad. Can I see that rag, sweetie pie? Thank you so much. I don't remember exactly what I rode for miles this year. But probably less than I'm gonna guess there's probably less than 2,000 miles on this oil. I know. I need to ride more. This year, I will be doing that. And filming it for all of you guys. So, I plan on taking a trip on that bike up to the White Mountains up in New Hampshire with her on the back. One thing I do not like about this bike, the setup of the is that the oil filter drains directly onto the headers. Directly onto the headers. Like, it's not good. Look at that oil wise. You can that motor oil.
Big beans.
No, it's still like clear. Like it's like I said, I didn't ride very much, so
Dang, a little oil goes a long way.
that's why there's so much. I mean, that's why it's so clean, you know. But
that little bit of oil from me just touching your hand covered 4 fingers.
oh yeah. I know I'm grunting a lot, YouTube, but I'm fucking old. So, well, okay. I'm sure there are going to be old timers out there that will be like, what? Old? You ain't old. Okay, I'm not that old. I'm middle-aged and fat. Oh yeah, this is the stupid. Yep. This is that stupid Fran filter that this wrench doesn't fit, remember?
Yep.
Well, did it, or was it stuck on the old one?
It was stuck on the old one.
Yeah, it doesn't even fit on this one. So, oop, that means first, mostly I need to wipe the oil off of this because I just dropped it in the drain pan like a fool. But I need to get onto that side of the bike so I can get my strong hand on the oil filter. My strong hand. All right, I need that tin furl, kiddo.
Tin furl?
Yeah, ASAP. ASAP. What's his name? Rocky?
Who?
I don't know. Isn't there a rapper named that?
No, I don't know, maybe.
Put it in the comments. ASAP Rocky. He's a rapper, right? At least I think so. I recall. I'm going to be completely honest. This oil filter was alarmingly loose.
It was?
Yeah. Like, I didn't have an oil leak or nothing, so... And I'm a firm believer that you really only need to hand snug them, you know?
Yeah.
Well, that furnace running, that's going to be great for the audio. Do I have a coolant over there?
Coolant?
It's going to say Maxima. I don't think I do. Alright, I gotta get some coolant. I didn't know that my reservoir was empty. I wouldn't even have taken this for a ride the other day if I had known that. Oh, wait a minute. Can you look right here? Is that cracked? Right here?
I don't think so.
It fucking felt it. Get your hand out of there. I need to see.
Yeah, no, I don't think it's cracked, because if it was cracked, it'd be stuff coming up on the gloves.
I can tell you what, it's very thin right there.
Yeah. It's definitely thin, but I think it's cracked.
Luckily, that. All right, Liza, now can I see that socket and the oil filter wrench, please?
The black socket? Or the...
No, the chrome one right near your leg. And the black oil filter wrench. Danke. Something's wrong with this thing, like it's like got oblonged or something, you know?
Well, we kind of had to bend it in order to get the last oil filter out.
I'm gonna snug it up with this. Oh, that's what I didn't want to happen. That'll do. That is tight. A little bit more than finger snug, and that's a good thing. Oh, get my fat ass out of this fucking.
Tripping over everything.
Okay. Funnel. Oh, that's what I want you to get down there, okay? Because I just got up and I mean, if I go down there again, I may never get them come back up. So, where is it? Did you?
It might be inside the bin.
Yeah. Oh no, here it is. What's that? That's electrical cleaner. Braking parts cleaner. So, get down there with some fresh rags, right? And I want you to spray the oil filter. Got to tighten the drain bolt. So, take the socket. You're gonna need this. You got take the extension off. You don't need the extension. And when you tighten that, you want to go. Well, I'm gonna watch you.
It's right here.
Yep. Should be close to snug already because I did it with my hand.
This one's too big.
Oh. Is the 12 over here then? Or did you kick it? There it is. Here, kiddo. Sorry, give me that other one. Good. That's all you need.
Can I have that spray?
Yes, you can. Did I give you the rags already?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna give it.
The oil filter and
Spray the oil filter. Spray some on the oil filter, some on the pipes where you can see oil on it, and around the drain bolt where there's oil, and just clean the excess oil up. And don't get that in your eyes.
I backed up.
Yeah, because that will ruin your day.
Yeah, it smells like it would.
Yeah, that's some harsh stuff there. And that you don't have to worry about wiping the floor because this stuff evaporates like really quick.
'Cause it's alcohol based.
Yeah. So as long as you got it wiped down good. That's good. Just want to get the excess shit, from changing the oil. That's all.